OPPO F9, and let me show you how to enter here the engineer mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's use this secret code *808#. As you can see, the engineer mode just pops up. Here you can use some assembly test projects. For example, you can use the headset test. You can here also adjust the screen brightness, and you can tap device. Right here you can swipe and type device debugging. Here you can, for example, flash charger. You can select the vibration test. You can perform the keypad test, so the power, volume up, volume down. That's it. All keys have been pressed, so it's a good sign. Here you can also, for example, test OTG, light sensor, and other stuff. You can also test the camera, media debugging, for example, the echo test, receiver test. And other tests as well, for example, communication debugging. Or here you can use the secure boot and the screen always on features. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.